Hello, Lego friends. I'm back again. About a month, a little bit over a month from my last video. What? I went to New Orleans a few weeks ago, but before I went to New Orleans, I was so excited. I'll get everything, my camera ready for my trip. I reformatted my video card. I deleted all my car wash building stuff. What was I thinking? I said reformat, and it started. I said, what? Huh? I haven't covered. Oh, I can't stop it. Can't stop it. It's already reformatting already. So I came back from New Orleans. Ate a lot of good food. I'm making a video about my New Orleans trip. It's probably my other channel, Grady Boy Productions, instead of Grady Boy Bricks, probably. Before my stroke, I was started my own channel. I made videos about sandwiches and my trips and stuff like that. A few videos. I make like one or two videos each year. My fan says, make another video. Man, it's coming next month. My fans. I had one fan, my mother. No, my wife. My wife, nah. My mother loved my videos, but anyway. This video will be short, be quick and dirty. I'm out of practice making videos. I'm out of practice. I've had for 3 years, 1 or 2 videos each week. In December, every day. But a month, summertime after my sister died, the making videos went out of me. So it's coming back slowly. So all my people that join me and give me money each month, more videos coming out very soon. Thanks everybody sticking with me. Thanks to my community. Every Sunday I stream, mostly. And thanks everybody give me words of encouragement and stuff like that, you know. Yeah. All right, start the video right now. Lego. Okay, I showed the front of it already, maybe. Long time of last video, but anyway, side of it, I put some stairs on it. Get onto the side of that Avengers Tower. Yes, inside of it, I showed you. I filled in. I filled in just slowly everything in like. But I deleted it. So, second floor. Some seats, a table, a lamp, piece of pizza, kitchen. This side is you can't see it through it. Oh, I wish yeah, get in there, maybe. Get in there. It's a sink area. Stove, got a bathroom in here. Now the roof, well, third floor. Front of it, little windows and flowers in it, and these go here. Put on now, maybe. Every time I take the third floor off of it, all those pieces come out. But I don't take it apart too much. Anyway, oh, what's inside of it? I'll show you quickly. Everything's gonna break. Oh, it didn't break. Yes. Oh. Okay, leave comments what should go in here. The 3rd floor. I don't know. Give me some ideas. Yeah. A ladder from the 2nd floor, and this one goes to the roof. Yes. All right. Put back on. Very gingerly. Oh. Get this on. There we go. Pretty good. All right, the roof. Look at this. Same color. They're people from Avengers Tower fighting over this hamburger. Got some AC units up here, cooling the building, keep it cool, or heat. maybe it's heat as well. Come on there. Pretty good. Oh, the back of it. I showed you the back of it. Back of it. Oh, gracious almighty. Stand up. Back of it. An ad for Heart Lake Shopping Mall. Yes. It's pretty good. Oh, now they're crooked. Straighten them up. That was straight. Good stuff. Here it is. My car wash building. It is in all its glory. So sorry. I'm so sorry. I deleted all my videos. I'm so sorry. Move on. More videos in the future. All right, now I'll stick in my city, a montage, all my community, looking at it and having fun in front of it. Yes. Come on with me right now. So I was going to set everything up, my community here, car wash, building, apartment. But I'm gonna take a car out of it, but you can't drive in here. The curb's not right. So, time lapse, start right now. Yes. Here it is in all its glory. Yes. Mayor Renee's cutting the ribbon in front of the new car wash. I hope they don't, Espen and Rita don't get their car wash in there very wet. What? Ricky wanted to, Ricky, what are you doing there, Tyrone? Dubsy. He don't care what's going on. He's just looking over the city. Carol's still selling her sweets to Blackwood. Yes, it looks so good there. The steps to it. Tunes and his girlfriend sitting on the steps. I think pretty good. It fits in there perfectly in the side of the Avengers Tower. I hope you enjoyed this short, dirty, very bad comment on my build. But bear with me, please. This past week in the U.S., we have a Veterans Day. It's where we honor all people that served in the military. My great granddaddy-in-law was honored at our local veterans service. In this video, a small clip of what it is about. So stick around to the end of the video and see what my grandfather-in-law was honored this week. Stroke. All right, next video. That ramp for the soap car thingies over my train tracks into my city. Different than my streaming. During my streaming, I put it here, but it won't fit there too good. So I'm gonna put it right here instead of there. Maybe. All right. Next video come out this week, probably next week. All right, guys. Bye, little friends. See this video. All right. Roll Veterans Honor now.
Yes, sir. Another proclamation that we read and get the honor of bestowing upon you. It begins, whereas Spencer Cardwell Jr. is a lieutenant colonel of the U.S. Army. He retired after 27 years of military service. He is a veteran of World War II, Korea, and Vietnam. And whereas after his enlistment commitment, he remained in the Army Reserves. During this time, he met and married his wife, Helen. He was reactivated during the Korean War, although he was stationed at Fort Stewart, Georgia. With multiple assignments in the U.S. and Okinawa, he had become trained in missile deployment. And whereas after this training, he was transferred to Key West, Florida during the Cuban Missile Crisis. He has a photo shaking hands with President Kennedy while stationed in Key West. President Kennedy was assassinated 3 days later. Now, therefore, be it resolved, I, Buddy Gupton, on behalf of the town of Garner Town Council, do hereby honor and express our deepest gratitude to Spencer Cardwell Jr. for his service and sacrifice. May we never take for granted the liberty you helped to protect.